Hello again. This is the second installment in my Trilogy series. The first installment was a checkmate in 4 moves. This is a mate in 5. As always, what would you say White is trying to do here? Well, he's wanting to deliver checkmate. If he could, if this bishop were here, bishop f3 would be mate. But if he tried playing an immediate bishop g4, rook a3 would scupper him. Equally, if he tries any of these bishop moves, this is out of course because of the pawn. If he tries bishop e6 at once, then it's knight b6. If he tries bishop to d7, it's rook a6, stopping him. So what he decides on is to go the full length and play bishop c8. Now, do you see what he's attempting to do here? That's correct. Bishop b7 will be checkmate. There's only one answer to it, and that is that. So, what do we do now? Well, what we do is we now play bishop d7. And we're threatening here. The only move that he can play, because if he took his knight here, it would be bishop here, knight interposes, checkmate. So he plays the rook here, 2 moves down. What do we do now? Well, now we're moving backwards, if you notice. Bishop c8, bishop d7, bishop e6. Now then, we're threatening bishop d5. So how does Black stop that? Well, there's only one way to do it, because he's self-blocked here for the knight, you notice, which is all part of the strategy. So Black on his third move plays rook takes d6. Now, what he's hoping for here, of course, is that White will be stupid enough to take here, thinking that he'll take back and it'll be mate, but unfortunately he'll do that, stopping it. So you don't do that. What do you do instead after rook takes d6? Well, what you do is you play here, which, harking back to the early stage in this video, I did mention he wanted to play so that he could mate on f3, and that is the threat at the moment, bishop f3 mate. There's only one way to stop it, and that's to play his rook here. Now then, White to checkmate in 1. Can you see how he does it? That's it. He doesn't checkmate with the bishop, he checkmates with the pawn. And that is a wonderful composition, equal to the first installment in this trilogy. But watch out for the third and final one. That is a real beauty.